All right, spring test for stock front spring and then the Redundo Beach V1 spring. So what I'm gonna do is turn this one on. We'll put the first spring on, line it up with the push plate. Okay, and then we'll zero it out. We'll apply the set pressure. .1. Okay. Same thing, V1. Put that, line it up. Okay, I'm gonna set it to 0. Apply the set pressure. .40, 39. There. 39 pounds. We'll try the V2. New one. Line that one up. Again, zero it out. Apply the pressure. .58, 59, 60. So we'll go 59. All right. Last one. Stock rear spring. Put that on, zero it out. Good, 33, 32. All right.